Day 16 of Daughter's Daily Packs, where I let my daughter reach in this pile of Pokemon cards and pick me out a pack for me to open every day. Today she's picked Destined Rivals, which is one of my favourite sets. We've opened quite a few of these packs now in this challenge and it's been okay to us. We've had a few EX cards, so we'd love to get one of those illustration rares. This is probably my favourite set from Scarlet and Violet, but I'm interested to know what your favourite set is. Leave it in the comments and I'll try and put some of those packs in the basket for us to open. And don't forget, every hit out of these packs is going into a binder that I'm going to give away at the end of the year should I hit 50,000 followers, so make sure you're following along. Really hoping to pull something massive for the binder.
Yeah!
It's another EX card, it's a Titan. Very nice card though, so that's going to look good in the binder. Definitely starting to take a lot of shape. Hoping for an illustration rare very soon, but I'll see you tomorrow for day 17.